Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Talking eBay. Today we're talking about something really cool and something different. But before we get into that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I think you are enjoying the content and I want to show you something that you should be on the lookout for. So here we have a vintage brick phone. Now, I don't know how many of you remember these, but these are something you should be looking out for. These are really unusual and very different. Some of them sell for thousands of dollars. So if you see them at a yard sale, you see them at a thrift store, whatever it is, definitely pick them up. Don't be afraid. Even if they don't work, it doesn't really matter. So I made a quick video. So I put this actually on eBay to sell, and I want to show you. I got this actually at online. Somebody was giving it away, which is cool. So I want to show you the video I made. I always talk about making videos to sell your products. Let's give you an example exactly how this video was made. Let's watch. So right here we have a vintage Motorola brick phone, as you can see here. The old Sell One logo. This is what it looks like. The antenna was repaired, had to be a little broken here. We had to glue it back on to put it back together. The battery charger does work, as you can see here, but these have to be rebuilt. The cells are dead. It does get warm, but it needs to be worked on, so you need to get a new one of these. But the phone does power up. Check it out. Turn it on. Hit the power button. I can hold this at the same time as turning it on. Hold down the power button. There you go. Boots right up, and it does work. And awesome piece of old technology. Thanks for watching. It comes with the charger, the phone, the battery, and it does work, as you can see here. Fantastic. So that's the example. So I always talk about making videos for your eBay product or your things that you find. You can see the power of that visual, right? And this is another one that talked about the turntable. So you can do all kinds of different things to make it important. Here's some sales. This is roughly, I've seen just a quick snapshot, 1,300, 6 to 900, 500. I mean, that is crazy amount of money that you can find. So if you see these flip phones, definitely pick them up. Even though, I mean, not flip up. If you see these brick phones, pick them up. In the flip phones too, but this is worth much more. All right, guys, if you found this enjoyable, if you found this informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means so much to me. I really appreciate everyone following me and subscribing. See you at the next one.